Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can download and install Python in Windows 10 operating system. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for download Python. First link will appear here from python.org/downloads. So I am just going to click on this link. Once this website is loaded, this will automatically detect your operating system. Then just click on download Python button. It will start downloading python.exe file. Once this file is downloaded, just open it. Then just check this box to add python.exe to environment variable of your system. Then click install now button. It will start installing Python in your system. We have to wait for installation to be completed. Once installation is completed, this will show setup was successful. Then just close this dialog box. We can check whether Python is installed your system or not using command prompt. For that, just open command prompt and type python capital V to check version of Python you have installed your system. If it is showing version you have installed in your system, then congrats, you have successfully installed Python in your Windows 10 operating system. If you are getting any type of error, then comment down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching.